Spice nzikiriza olunaku olwaleero nkimanyi tempa kati eri waggulu nnyo nkuwulira muli eri mpulira muli omusaayi guboyiringa nkuwulira the things are inching you bintu bingi nnyo naye so nkwatireko wano
togwayo bana abagenyi nkimanyi eva
kanzije kuba Spice nina okusooka neyo ka break.
Okay.
Ka break nze come and sit here. So what one? So I'm giving you what they call 10 minutes of fame. You know 10 minutes of fame? You're doing a presentation.
Yeah.
So omwami ono y'omu ku baami abakwagala ennyo era ye bwe yalabye biwayogedde byonna n'agamba ebyabyogere naye nze ebyange birina okutuuka. So you're presenting this to the first hold here and I come. Manu.
Good cameraman, good director, good mogezi. Mkola minji.
Kakati, do your presentation, introduction of your name and everything, then introduce yourself to her.
Okay. My name is Steven Oketayot. I am an artist. I paint pictures. I draw charcoal drawings. I design mosaic frames, T-shirts, and others.
Others.
Yeah. So apparently we work from Kisamenti. Our office is at the Cube building, room number G18. Yeah. So a few months ago, I made a charcoal drawing, a portrait of you from our office at Kisamenti.
Charcoal drawing.
Yeah.
Charcoal.
Yeah, that one. So.
Is charcoal the same as charcoal?
Oh yeah, the one ladies use for cooking.
Cooking.
Yeah. But for this one, we use compressed charcoal, which is specifically designed for drawing art pieces. It's not like you buy a sack of charcoal and then you break into pieces and start making an art piece. Yeah.
So, Spice, njagala okwanjulira ekisiige kino ng'omwami. Samanyi Luganda bambi onaamusonyiwa.
From Uganda?
Yeah, I'm a Ugandan. My district is Gulu.
Gulu. Oh, I understand.
Yeah.
Gulu speak good English.
Yeah, sure.
Can you talk to the Gulu community and tell them now Alan Cruz finally made it for me. Ate nzinja ekikoze. Wano we no breeder. And finally, I have found Spice Dana. For how long have you stayed with this drawing?
Approximately 3 months.
Ng'akunoonya takulaba n'agwa mu bafeere ku Nassa bonna bonna nga bamukomya makindi eri baana bamukomeza nnyo ku luguudo.
When we started our company, this is one of the first drawings I worked on.
Why was it one of the first drawings?
Because I had it in mind for a long time, but I needed a good place to do the drawing.
So Spice, you were telling him?
I also went for art. Yeah, at BIFA. Did you go to BIFA, or it's something that you, as a talent, you've been doing?
I didn't study it. It's just a gift from God.
Okay, wow, that's amazing.
How old are you?
28.
28. Kati Spice. Kati omwana w'emyaka 28. Kaogo wa 20. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, mbadde nsaba Spice we sumululira kino ekifaananyi kyo naye nga ensi yonna yonna ekulengera.
Come studio one. Tola bade teinamu. Alright. Jesus Christ. This is beautiful. Wow. This is really a drawing.
Yeah, it is a drawing.
Looks so real.
Several times people have doubted if my drawings are real. For that reason, I record videos of every
Doing
stage.
it.
Actually ku TikTok yange abanfollowinga ono omuvubuka yankubira ekifaananyi nga ndaba but what he does akikuba mu kyako naye akugamba bw'akireka mu kyako bw'oba okiterese ewantu oli n'akikwatako nga kigira. So what he does bw'amala okikubira mu kyako ng'akizza kweno gundi. How do you call this?
A charcoal drawing.
No, like the board and the way you change it to this.
When the drawing is done, in order to protect the art piece from getting destroyed by water, dust, and the rest, we laminate it. So when you touch
Actually,
it, nothing can
kandete
destroy it.
change kuba n'ekyange kyaggwa. Hold here. Ndeetera ekyange bakiragirira bana.
Wow, this is nice. You know, I love drawing, but
Spice, unleash mine. Yes. Unleash. Otegeere nti abavubuka balina talanta gye bali. Kigulewo n'essanyu nga bw'okyogerako obugambo.
kati bugambo kisina ki.
Ono wakabi ono star biki.
Alan star nga babagambye star. Siri sure. Naye star. Tugenda kulaga ekifaananyi kye. Kiri upside down. Ate sirabye.
Kyambule.
Wow. Panange. You're very good. I think I've seen this on TikTok. Sure, inaye ekirungi mu bulamu bwo. That's the truth. Ate kirungi n'okusinga. Wow. But I think you should always put like your phone number, somewhere. Because sometimes people ask me about these art pieces and then I don't remember like who did it and something. So like down here, like your name, you can have your phone number always. So when somebody like recalls who did it and then they can easily contact you. Because this is good work.
Read them your number, please. Because this is a big star.
Okay.
People are watching Saudi Arabia, Dubai, UK.
Yeah.
Yeah, read them your number.
My number is, my WhatsApp number is 0787 03 2844.
Spice, ononya katuwa kate.
Sure, muvaawo nkataddewo. This is so nice. Like really, really nice.
Kanyenyeza omutwe.
It's real. Like the earrings, the hair, the eyebrows.
May I have a friend of mine? He's not a camera person. He's not too much into camera. He doesn't love camera stuff, But he's a good. I know he's a good person to me. He holds a special place in my heart. He's called Manager Roger. Yeah, you help me get up. I'll send you a pic of him, and you help me do something like this. One I will pay. I will pay for it.
So if somebody like wants you to do this for them, how much do you charge? Now, okay, this is it's my gift.
We have a range of prices from 160,000 shillings to 2.5 million shillings. This is an A1 charcoal drawing. We charge at 800,000 shillings.
800,000
shillings.
Nana.
Only.
That's a lot of money. Somebody to give you this much money. Thank you.
800,000 shillings is some money that you can spend with a bunch of friends for only 2 hours drinking. But for an art piece, this can live more than 100 years.
So you do this for 2 hours with friends?
No. Making this took 4 days. But making that took approximately 2 to 3 hours.
Ekyo naliwo. Tokitunulira mabbali. Tokitunulira nnyo mabbali. Kiteeke eno nange ondabiseemuko.
So that was done on camera. And was in a rush.
But it's nice, perfect.
Olabye akalenzi.
Obangamba ono n'oli, n'ondooni.
Wamma, you conclude kuba kati batandise tukuba. Any words? Any remarks? Any words? Any last words you want to tell Spice Diana?
Yeah. I think Spice Diana is a lovely artist. She's friendly. That's why she's an ambassador to almost every brand in the country. Thanks for being a nice person. Thanks for being friendly. Thanks for giving us good music. Thanks for being an inspirational to many youths.
Kati olaba bozzeeko akamwenyumwenyu eri nkujje mu awaadi obadde nga nolyawo totege olaba bw'osanyuseemu.
Yes, omanyi
Kino kiri real, eh?
let me tell you something. Omuntu omu yangamba, some big artists yangamba, sometimes media nungi, social media nungi, nesa esokuleeta okulowooza mbu esenko ekomaawo. Bw'ofulumamu, actually yakingamba, nangamba olaba, keera ovuga emmotoka, bw'okeera n'ovuga emmotoka n'ova ewuwo n'ogenda ku kkubo. What do you find? Nze ntambula wembeera oba mbange yesimbyewo. Like ogenda okubajjambo na kino bange, like you know, that kind of love. Kati yachimpanga example nangamba kigatte balancing olabe. To back social media omuntu nagamba ekintu ki negative and then you feel like say come here, you know that's the end of the world. People don't like you, but when you get off that and then go to real life, go to reality, it's a different thing. You know, so this is really amazing. It has made my day and I'm so happy. Like I'm grateful that and then you get to reality and it's reality. Yeah.
Kale, kati banaba Kale, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You know, I love what you do and I love everything about you during this. Yeah. Hey. So, ladies and gentlemen, mbadde sinnamala nno. Kankuleetere, omanyi kati olunaku bwe nkufuna nkukozesa buli kimu. Kuba kute wenaddamu okufuna ate lujja kuba lulala. So, thank you my brother.
More words to like express myself, to show like, you know, how happy I am about this painting, this drawing. I would really say them out, but I want to say thank you so much for the time you took to do this. It's more valuable, it's more important than just the money, the 800 we've talked about, you know. There's so many people you would think about, but specifically choosing me is really amazing, you know. I'm happy.
You go so good. You know, you remind me of one of my brothers. He used to tell me such words. Yeah.
This, and may you earn from it and achieve all your dreams, you know, and get to where you want to get. You know, sometimes we do things not because we want to do them, but you have dreams, you have goals, you want to see yourself get somewhere because of what you're doing, you know. So that's the least I can, that's how much I can pay you, and I know it will happen.
Lastly, your number again, your number.
I have 2 numbers.
Yeah,
MTN.
you have 2 numbers?
Yeah.
Go on.
So the MTN one is the one I use on WhatsApp. It's 0787 032844.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.